am planting some collards. And I'm going to go ahead and plant the collards in the cabbage in the ground as well. Hopefully they will do good. Thank you for watching. It has been so hot, and so hopefully these will do okay. Because like I said before in the previous video, I had planted collards by seeds, and they haven't come up yet. I'm going to add a little water to it and take it from there. Thank you for watching.